Tips and tricks for using multi-state object in Adobe Captivate. Created a new project in Adobe Captivate. Go to Object and select the rectangle shape. Further added with image to make it as image with background. Positioning it accordingly. Here are some tips and tricks to make use of the multi-state objects in Adobe Captivate. Now go to Interaction at the top navigation menu and select Button. Go to Property panel and name it as Red in the caption field. Text button type doesn't provide any configuration options to control the look and feel of these states. Duplicated the same button and followed the same procedure to name it as Green. Let's select the rectangle and move on to the state view of that rectangle. In the Object State panel, right-click and select New State. Name it as Red and follow the same procedure to create another state and you name it as Green. Let's change the color of an object according to its state. The new state is now added to our object and will automatically trigger based on the action associated with it. Select the red button and go to the Actions tab in Properties Inspector. Set the OnSuccess action as the change state of action. Select the object and its desired state as red. Follow the same steps to add action change state of to the green button. Let's preview the project. This feature will allow us to develop interactive content easily using Adobe Captivate. When I click red, then background change to red, and when click to green button, then the background change to green. Like, subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notification of new video.